Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a fender on a 2000 Toyota Camry. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, comment. That really helps me out. First thing we're going to do, pop the hood, take out this bolt, and this bolt. Those are 10 mil. Alright, now open your driver's side door. And you'll see a bolt right there. And then there's also a bolt right here that needs to come out. This one, if it's rusted like here in Michigan, that's probably just gonna snap. All right, now you got all these fasteners here on the inner side of the fender. There's one up here, one right here. Just basically need to unhook all these here so that you can get it unattached from the inner plastic fender. All right, now you've got these little plastic things that stick in here. You need to pull those out. Honestly, they're probably gonna break. That's what's happening to me. So this is how these work. There's like a little clips right here that they pinch into these square spots. I had one that came out intact, and that's because it was rusted out. So I'm not sure if you can find more of these, maybe in a junkyard or in AutoZone or something, but these are gonna be kind of a pain to get out. What's gotta happen is you're gonna have to come up underneath here and get this screw right here out. Normally this bumper is held in right there like that, and so you take that off and then you can pull the bumper back, and then you've got two screws here, or bolt, one right here and then one that is mashed in here. It's right there behind my finger, right there. That'll usually be out here though. Okay, I pulled this out a little bit so you can see how it's gonna look a little bit more normally. You'd also normally have your blinker in here. I don't think you need to take out your blinker to do this. So after you take that last bolt right there out, you're gonna be good to go. You can just basically pull it right off. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, share if you want to. It helps me out. I'm also going to have some links in the description below to some Amazon products. If you're interested, if you make a purchase on there, I get a small cut. That helps me out. Hope this video is helpful. Have a good one, guys.